Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be safe and sound inside your homes. A new strain of coronavirus has been detected from UK and some parts of South Africa, and Doctors Association has warned people to remain quite vigilant about this newly deadly virus. Dear students, you have now finished your exam some 20 days before. Better is to go some coaching centers, attend schooling as physically because you are not in the schools during the academic year, last academic year, that's 2019 and 20. Now you are waiting for your results. Better is to attend physically in the coaching center so that you can facilitate yourself to the greater extent. Dear students, you need to save your lives first because life is a precious gift of God. Once life is there, you can cross every barrier. Dear students of 10th and 11th, new 10th and new 11th, today we are talking with very important topic, that is the change of voice. And today we are learning change of voice for a single tense, that is the present simple tense. Dear students, present simple tense is a tense in which you find first form of verb and always routine works or habitual works or universal truths are said in present simple. For example, I pray daily, I go to school daily, are the examples of present simple. So simple you have to keep in the mind that present simple is a tense in which you find first form of verb and always routine works, habitual works are said in present simple. Now what is the change of voice? You know, active sentence is a sentence or active verb is a verb that is governed by the subject of the verb or that is dominated by the subject of the verb. Subject simply means action doer and the object means action receiver. Dear students, take an example. She plays cricket. Here, she is the subject, plays is the verb, and cricket is the object, and the tense is present simple. When you are changing it from active to passive, how you can change it? So simple. Passive is a verb, or passive verb is a verb, or passive sentence is a sentence where the subject of the verb is acted upon. She plays cricket. Here, she is subject, plays is verb, cricket is object. So simple you have to keep in mind. Cricket, first cricket is played by her. She gets changed into her, and always in passive voice third form of the verb is used. In present simple we use with a singular subject is. So she plays cricket means she plays cricket, it's a present simple, so we have to change it into passive. Cricket is played by her. In passive voice, remember always third form of the verb is used. Take one more example. Rashid plays hockey. Here Rashid is the subject, plays is the verb, and hockey is object. And when we are changing it from active to passive, so simple we have to keep in the mind. We have to take the object first. Hockey is played by Rashid. Hockey is played by Rashid. One more important thing you have to keep in the mind, that when we change active sentence into passive, the voice only gets changed, never the meaning of the sentence gets changed. Dear students, I am repeating the things. Active verb is a verb which is dominated by the subject of the verb, and subject means action doer, which action doer, and object means action receiver. And you have to keep in the mind that there is a difference between object and predicate. Object receives the action, and predicate is the part of a sentence that contains verb and tells something about the subject. He hits us. He hits us. It is what? It is present simple. He is a third person singular, so verb has taken s here. He hits us. Here, us is the object. When we are changing it into passive, us gets changed into we because it is object. Subject to form is we. We are hit. He by him. We are hit by him. So simple it is. Dear students, so you have to keep in the mind that active verb is a verb that is dominated by the subject of the verb, and a passive sentence or passive verb is a verb that in which the subject of the verb is acted upon. And today we are learning only a single tense, that is the present simple tense. And present simple tense is a tense in which you find the first form of verb. In present simple tense, routine works, habitual works, universal truths are said. When we change a present simple tense's voice, we have to keep a few things in the mind. First of all, we have to recognize the subject and the object, and verb is always there, the first form of the verb. And then we should also keep in the mind subject and objective form of the subjects and the objects there, of different nouns or different subjects or objects used there. Take one more example. Imran plays in plays hockey. Imran plays hockey. Here Imran is the subject, plays the verb. It has taken S because Imran being the third person singular. And hockey is the object. And when we are changing it from object to active to passive, because the same sentence is what? Same sentence is active because here subject dominates the verb. Hockey is played by Rashid. So simple it is. Hockey is in passive voice. Always third form of the verb is used. But the important thing is that you have to recognize the tense first, and then you have to make the passive of an active verb. Dear students, now it is Urdu. चेंज ऑफ वॉइस जो होती है ना, एक्टिव सेंटेंस को हम पैसिव में कैसे तब्दील कर सकते हैं। और जब हम एक्टिव सेंटेंस को पैसिव में तब्दील करते हैं, सिर्फ इसकी आवाज़ बदल जाती है, इसका माना बदल नहीं जाता है। लेकिन प्रेजेंट सिंपल टेंस होता क्या है? प्रेजेंट सिंपल टेंस वो टेंस होता है जिसमें वर्ब की पहली फॉर्म आ जाती है, और इसमें जो हैबिचुअल काम करते हैं हम, या रूटीन काम करते हैं, जो यूनिवर्सल ट्रुथ्स होते हैं वो बताते हैं। जैसे The earth goes round the sun, she plays cricket, I pray daily, she loves cricket. ये चीज़ें जो है ना, ये जो टेंसेज हैं, ये प्रेजेंट सैम्पल्स की मिसालें हैं। लेकिन प्रेजेंट सैम्पल की पैसिव वॉइस कैसे होती है? पहले एक आप लीजिए, शी लव्स क्रिकेट, शी लव्स क्रिकेट। आपको क्या करना है? आपको सब्जेक्ट और ऑब्जेक्ट पहचानना है। सब्जेक्ट क्या मतलब होता है? फाइल उर्दू में से कहते हैं, एक्शन डूवर। ऑब्जेक्ट होता है महफूल, एक्शन रिसीवर। और जब इसको हम चेंज करते हैं, इसका माना नहीं बदल जाता, इसकी आवाज़ बदल जाती है। शी लव्स क्रिकेट, सो सिंपल, क्रिकेट इज़ लव्ड बाय हर। शी गेट्स, शी जब चेंज होता है किस में? हर में चीज़ चेंज होगी। और इज़ एक सिंगुलर चीज़ के साथ इज़ इस्तेमाल करते हैं, वर्ब की तीसरी फॉर्म इस्तेमाल होती है पैसिव वॉइस में। और यह याद रखना है कि पैसिव वॉइस में क्या होता है? पैसिव वॉइस में जो सब्जेक्ट होता है इस पे अमल होता है, इस पे काम होता है। और एक्टिव वॉइस में होता है जो सब्जेक्ट है वो वर्ब को गवर्न करता है, वो वर्ब पे हुकूमत करता है। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द एक्टिव एंड पैसिव ऑफ द प्रेजेंट सिंपल टेंस. In case of any confusion after watching this video, you can call me on 7006671106 or WhatsApp me on the same number. When you fire out your query by any means, by WhatsApping or by calling, or even you are even free to email me, that is kgm3864@gmail.com. And when you post your query by any means, within short duration of time your query or confusion shall be cleared. Dear students, better is to see these things on your available English grammar book so that you can learn the concept well. Dear students, English is a language that is a borrowed one, and languages are always arbitrary. No definite rules govern the English language or other language. Dear students, work hard and self-study can take your boat to the bank. Do work hard and make self-study so that you can cross every barrier. You are living in the age where competition has reached to the skies. Thanks. Be balanced.